Did you know that one of the newer features in Excel is a camera tool? Well, today we're going to have a look at how to use this and why it's used. Without further ado, let's jump into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to add the camera tool to our options here. Now, there are two ways to do this. I will show you the longer way. So we go to File, we go down to Options, and then we go to Customize Ribbon. And then you can scroll through all commands, and if you just type in C, you get down to Camera. So you can go across that way, or an easier way to access that is come over to the ribbon, right click, and then you go to Customize, and you end up in the same box. So we go down the options, let's go to all commands not popular, and let's type in Camera, or let's type in C, and it comes down to all the options with C. Type in Camera, and now we're going to add it. Now it will ask you for ribbon customization. You need to add it to a custom group, so you can add it whether you want it on the home. I prefer to always add it in my drawer. So what you need to do is a new group, and the new group is just a custom. You can rename that to camera tool, and you can choose yourself an icon here as well if you would like. So let's just go through, and we'll just click that, press OK, and now we simply need to add it to there. So the camera tool will have this option under draw. Press OK. Now let's go across to draw, and now you can see that you have the camera option here. They're here twice because I've added it before as well. So the first thing you need to do is highlight the range that you want to copy. So let's just highlight this, press camera, and just drop it down to where you would like to see it. Now, the nicest thing about this is completely dynamic. So if we change the first quantity here to 12, you'll see that it goes to 14,000, and that's changed it across here as well. Now, to start to highlight the data, simply just click onto that, and let's go to the camera tool, and it takes a screen recording or a picture of your data. Now what we can do is move it across to a sheet, which is maybe summary. So we have that there. Now let's do the same thing with the second data set. Go across to draw, camera, and we can take that across to the summary page. Now the nice thing about this is that once you change your data in your original set, you will find that the data is going to be changing here. So let's say we have 13,853 and 21,047. So what we need to do is go back, and we want to maybe change our data. So let's type in 1, that comes down to 78, and we go to 1 over here as well. That also comes to the same. Now let's go back and see what happens, and our picture right here has changed dynamically. Thanks for watching today's lesson, and if you've learned something, then please feel free to like and subscribe. And if you wanted to join us in any of our other social channels, then feel free to go onto Instagram or TikTok at Skill Up in Excel, and I'll see you next time. Happy spreadsheeting.